Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a fishing license in New York. So we're currently here at the NYSDEC official website. And from here, we're just going to navigate through the site to get your fishing license. So here you can see two links, which are two ways or options purchase your fishing license. So the first option is by purchasing it at a license issuing agent location. So you can click this link, and by following the link, you can start finding a vendor location. Just add in your city, state, or full address. Or you can also just click on use my location button to find the nearest vendor located near your location. And the next option is by purchasing it online or by phone. All you have to do is click on this link and you will be redirected to this page. And if you're going to purchase it online, you can click through this button to buy your sporting license online, or you can also do it by phone by hitting on this hotline. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.